Hello everyone, welcome to Tasty in Situ. Today we're making afang soup. We have the onions being chopped, we have hot water boiling, and we have chopped spinach going into the microwave. It's frozen, so I'd like to defrost it. It goes in for 5 minutes. I'm also getting the different kinds of meat ready. I have the beef, I have the pomo, and I have the stockfish. Everything is getting washed and cleaned out. The pomo and the stockfish get a head start, 15 minutes, because it takes a longer time to cook. And in 15 minutes, I'll be adding the beef. I'm adding the onions right now, putting in some salt and bouillon cubes. I'm also adding some water to cook. The next step is me adding habanero pepper. This is spicy stuff. If you don't like spicy, skip this step. The chopped spinach has just come out. I am going to strain it. I'm not going to squeeze, just strain. The reason why I'm not going to strain it is because I need some of the water in the vegetable for the rest of the soup. Spinach is chopped, so you don't need to do any work. 15 minutes is up. I get to add the beef. The entire cook time ends up being roughly an hour. The pomo and the stockfish got a head start, and then the beef goes in for about 40-45 minutes, depending on how soft you want it. If you like what you see, if you enjoy the content of this video, please subscribe, share, comment, stay notified, like. Next, we get to see the afang. It's a very popular dish in Nigeria. Afang, palm oil, crayfish, dry fish. Everything goes in a moment. That's a dry fish. I'm putting in 1 cup dry fish, half a cup crayfish, and 1 cup palm oil. That is the 3 packs of frozen spinach that has been strained. I didn't squeeze, I needed some of the water in there. A good mix there. And this is the afang. Some people call it okazi, some people call it eruru. It has different names. So I'm sort of breaking it up a little bit and mixing it in. Next, we have about a half cup palm oil. Oh yes, I did. This brings everything together. And then you leave it to boil. Turn down the heat a little so it doesn't dry out real quick. It cooks. And then I added a pair bouillon cubes and some salt to taste, and a good final mix. The afang soup is very popular in the southern part of Nigeria. When you see the oil bubble to the top, soup is just ready. I'm serving the afang soup today with pounded yam. Enjoy!